Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, today we are going to start the unit 3 of banking chapter. The name of the chapter is employment of bank funds. Dear students, the name of the chapter is the unit 3.1 is liquid assets. Cash in hand, cash with RBI and cash with other banks. What is liquid assets? Liquid assets are such assets which can easily be converted into cash within a shorter period of time. Now one question arises, how bank utilizes liquid assets? Liquid assets, a bank's balance sheet has two sides, namely assets and liabilities. और बेटा हमने जो कंपनीज एक्ट में बैलेंस शीट पढ़ी थी वहाँ पे भी लाइबिलिटीज और एसेट्स था. The investments, loans given by the bank constitutes the assets of the bank. As a prudent risk management technique, banks do not put all their eggs in one basket and hence invest in different types of securities to minimize risk. That means investment, a loan given by the bank constitutes assets of the bank. Now, bank cannot keep all the liquid assets in one area. They invest their liquid assets in securities where the companies are of fortune and it minimizes low risk. To meet the liquidity requirements, banks invest in securities which are liquid. Securities which are liquid, that means the securities which can be converted into cash without any loss. Liquid assets are the securities that can easily converted into money and with minimal impact to the price received. So dear students, from this we conclude that bank invests his liquid assets in such a securities which are very important and their prices neither is too high nor is too low. Hence it minimizes the risk. Now features of liquid assets. An asset is called liquid assets when there is an established market with enough participants to meet the selling pressure without materially impacting the price of the assets, and there is a relative ease in the transfer of ownership. A market may be considered both deep and liquid if there are ready and willing buyers and sellers in large numbers. Market may be considered both deep and liquid. That means if there is a large number of buyers and sellers in the securities market, buyer भी बहुत है, seller भी बहुत है, इसका मतलब क्या है, उस प्राइस का एसेट्स मेंटेन रहता है और देर आर मोर चांसेस ऑफ अर्निंग द प्रॉफिट. थर्ड एस्पेक्ट, लिक्विड एसेट्स. लिक्विड एसेट्स ऑफ ए बैंक कंसिस्ट ऑफ कैश इन हैंड, मनी एट कॉल एंड शॉर्ट नोटिस, बैलेंसेस विद आरबीआई, बैलेंस इन करेंट अकाउंट्स विद अदर बैंक्स, इंटर बैंक डिपॉजिट ड्यू विद इन 30 days. ये बेटे जितने भी एसेट्स हैं, लिक्विड एसेट्स, they are easily convertible into cash within a shorter period of time. That was cash in hand. Money at call and short notice. The money market is a market for short-term financial assets, money market, that are close substitutes of money. The most important feature of money market instrument is that it is liquid and the instruments can be turned into money quickly at low cost. That means money market जो है, it is a liquid market because from money market you can easily withdraw money without much loss. It provides an avenue for equilibrating the short-term surplus funds of the lenders and the requirements of the borrowers. The call or notice money market forms an important segment of the Indian money market. Money at call and short notice, that means one bank can give the loan to the other bank, and at short notice, the lender bank can demand money from the other banks. Call money means deals in overnight funds. Notice money means deals in funds for 2 to 14 days. Term money means deal in funds for 15 days to 1 year. Call money is short-term loans repayable on demand. That means they are repayable on demand with a maturity period of 1 to 15 days. Used for interbank transactions. अब बेटा एक बैंक दूसरे बैंक को हेल्प करता है, बट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चार्ज इज वेरी लेस. एक बैंक दूसरे बैंक को दे सकता है, दूसरा बैंक पहले बैंक से ले सकता है. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इंटरबैंक ट्रांजेक्शन. द मनी दैट इज लेंट फॉर 1 डे इन दिस मार्केट इज नोन एज कॉल मनी. अगर आपने एक बैंक ने दूसरे बैंक को एक दिन के लिए लोन दिया है, उसको बोलते हैं कॉल मनी. इफ इट एक्सीड्स 1 डे, it is referred to as notice money. So, dear students, we have two most important terms. Call money, money given for 1 day. अगर एक दिन से ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, it is a notice money. Commercial banks have to maintain a minimum cash balances known as cash reserve ratio. Call money is a method by which banks lend to each other to enable them to maintain the cash reserve ratio. So dear students, today we have discussed liquid assets, feature of liquid assets, and example of liquid assets. Money at call and short notice, इसको बेटे मैंने 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. कॉल मनी, लोन फॉर 1 डे, और बेटा एक दिन से ज़्यादा लोन होता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं नोटिस मनी. एंड द अदर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस liquid assets we will discuss in next class. Thank you.